I'm Inell Rosario. I'm an MD. I'm from Minnesota. I've had an ENT practice and for the past 26 years. Well, I myself have suffered from hair loss, and so over the past probably 20 years I've been wanting to find something that I could use for my patients, because when I went for a consult 20 plus years ago, I was told about the strip procedure and was told, no way, I'm not gonna do that. And so probably about 5 years ago, I first found out about some of the neograft and different ways of hair transplant that were a lot less invasive, and especially for an African American woman like myself that kinky hair, didn't want to cut my hair. So when I found out more about this, kept looking at it over the years, and finally this year was the time to do it. And it's been amazing. Dr. Shumack was fantastic. As a surgeon, I'm always watching people's hands and how they do things, and I kept going, yep, that's the kind of technique. Like he just makes it look smooth and easy and just very knowledgeable. As you watch what he's doing, you don't even have to hear what the instructions are, because technique-wise, just looking at surgical techniques in general, he is just superb.